Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lydia, I'm filming! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if this is your first time here. And in today's video, today's the first day of spring, so I want to do a easy spring feminine makeup look. I also want to feature the DIOR Forever Skin Glow foundation. You guys don't know how many times I've tried to film this video, but for some reason or another I haven't liked the footage, so I think this is my third attempt at trying to film it. But whatever, we're here now, it's a new day, and what perfect way to showcase a glowy foundation than during springtime. So if you want to see my thoughts on the foundation and just get ready with me, please keep watching. So I already did my skincare and prime for the most part, but before I jump into the foundation, I'm going to do my eyes. And in today's video, I want to use the ABH Prism Palette. I really like this palette, and I don't think it gets that much play or attention here on YouTube or Instagram, but I really love the colors here. You see this nice lavender shade and the peachy shades as well, and the nice spots of gold, and we also have some other pops of color, so I really like that. I'm going to be playing with the peachy colors today. To prep my lids, I'm going to be going in with some Maybelline concealer. Where's my brush? Y'all, my table is in shambles. But yeah, I had to go out today. I'm filming this on the actual first day of spring, and it was so cold this morning. My car was like my windshield was frozen over, so I was like, what a great way to start off the first day of spring. But the sun was out. Like, the sun knows it's springtime, but Georgia needs to get it together because I think I'm going to get sick again if it keeps playing me with switching up the temperatures and all. So now I'm just going to use one of the brushes that comes with the Anastasia palettes and take the shade Eden, which is like the lightest peachy shade, and just pack it on. I'm going to pack it on first in my crease and then blend it out. We're going downtown tonight to help out at a homeless shelter, so I put on makeup for anything. I know people might be thinking, oh, why are you putting on makeup for that? Well, people go put on makeup to go to Target. Speaking of Target, I just came from Target, and they're about to have me spend all of my money, like all of it, because they have their spring releases out, and like I was about to go in on Universal Thread and Wild Fable. Like, those two lines were really speaking to me. They had the cute little dresses, and yeah, it's just really cute. I think I like how that looks. I'm gonna put some lashes on, and I think I like it even more, but this is soft, isn't it? Now for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna take the shade Eternal, it's right here, and I'm gonna give it a spritz and put that in my inner tear duct. And now I'm gonna take my mascara. This is the Maybelline Snap Mascara. I have it in the shade, what's the shade? Pitch Black, wow. Oh, I should be letting my lash glue dry. Shoot. Okay, so I just popped some lashes on off camera. This eye always gives me a hard time, but that's neither here nor there. So now I'm just going to jump into the foundation. It's going to be the DIOR Forever Skin Glow foundation. The foundation is like $54, $52. I had the official price in the description box down below. So like I didn't know what shade I was, so I went to Sephora and got some samples. I got what's it called? I got shade 7N, 6N, and 5N. And I've been wearing, I've been wearing 6N, I think, for the most part. And I like how that looks. Where is it? So I have it here in 6N, and as you guys know, I told you guys I've tried it before, and I like it. I like the way it looks. It just looks like skin and everything, but it smells really perfumey. Like you can tell that there's a lot of perfume in this. So I would recommend that if you have sensitive skin, to proceed with caution. Like if you have really sensitive skin, I would stay as far away from this as possible. But I haven't broken out from it. But then again, my skin isn't that sensitive, but like you can smell this for a while after you put it on, at least in my opinion. I don't know how other people have been reacting to it, but yeah, I like putting it on with a brush because since it's like more glowy, I think it helps with the coverage if I use a brush. So I'm just going in with what's on the cap and putting a little bit more on my cheeks because that's where I like the most coverage, and around my mouth. The foundation does build up nicely, and as you can see, it's not like a overtly glowy finish, at least in my opinion. I think it looks more like skin, and I like that. Now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty concealer. I've been using this every day since I did the review video on it. Have you guys tried this concealer yet? I really like it. Kind of in a hurry now, I'm running out of time. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty powder. I have it in the shade Hazelnut, wanted the shade Honey, but still haven't been around to fixing that. So this doesn't really help with highlighting my face, but it's good for setting, so I still like it. I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use this blush right here. I got it in an Ipsy Glam bag a long time ago, and there's not a name on it. I do remember that it was from those colors, and yeah, it's a nice peachy blush to go with my eyes. Smashbox. I'm going to try a new bronzer eventually, you guys, but until I get rid of this, I'm not buying anything else. Ooh, 10 minutes. Ooh. So a lot of Fenty, guys. It's on my desk, but you know what? I want to do something else. I'm going to take my Broken highlighter in the shade Chocolate Cherry, and first I'm going to spray my face. And then this brush, right there. I know, I'm coming. For my lip, during the spring I like to go with glosses, so I'm going to take the Hot Vivid Lacquer in the shade Unreal and just do that in the center. So this is the final look, guys. All done. It looks so springy and I love it. I'm legit running out the door right now, so I'll tell you. I should be gone for a couple of hours. So I already told you guys, I've done a wear test. I know how the foundation performs, but for you guys, I want to show you how it looks after a couple hours of wear. So I'm gonna go, and then you'll see me in just a little bit. Hey guys, so I am back. It is now 11:30 at night. Gosh, I've been going since 7. Yeah, it's been a long day. I'm delirious. My heater is heating up in the background. That's the popping noise you hear. But yeah, this is what my face looks like after 8 hours. My lashes even coming off. Yeah, good night. But yeah, let me get rid of those, so you're not looking at that the whole time. Woo. That felt good. Now I can go wash it off. But this is what my face looks like again after 8 hours of wear. Let me see closer. I feel like it looks good. Of course, as always, I get shiny in my nose and in my T-zone area, so it's nothing abnormal to me. I've really thought that since this is a glowy foundation, that it would, you know, when I first tried it, I thought it would be even more glowy than it is, but it's nothing outside of the ordinary. So I like the way it feels and looks like skin throughout the day. So it gets a thumbs up from me. I forget how many shades there are in this foundation, but I know that they have 2 formulas, the Skin Glow and the Skin Matte. So in Sephora they have 24 shades in total, and about 6 or 7-ish of the 24 shades are geared towards women of color. So I think it's a okay shade range for I was about to say drugstore. Y'all, I'm tired. Okay, for that's a decent range, I would say, for a luxury brand. Of course, it's not the 40 shades that we're like accustomed to from brands like Fenty or whatever, but I see that we're making waves in the right direction. So me, I like the foundation. When I go buy a full size of it, yeah, sure. Like my my Lancome was around like 40 something, 40. I think that was around $50 too. So yeah, but I'd have to run out of my other high-end foundations before I added that one to my collection too. So yeah, those are my thoughts, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed my first spring look of the year. I want to do some more. I haven't been playing in makeup in a while, and you know, life gets crazy, but I want to start experimenting and you know, just start playing again. Like it used to be in the beginning. I used to just play and just have fun with it and be more creative. So I want to get back to that. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any more foundation suggestions you would like to see from me, please leave it down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.